Good morning guys. So we had our live session up with the elephants and now we're going to do this story in front of our lovely rhino who's come out to play this morning. So let's have our story once more. What am I? Mum and Tallulah were off to the zoo. What animal am I? Said Tallulah, tugging on Mum's arm. Tugging on Mum's arm. Well, what do you think you are? Well, I know I'm not a rhino because my skin is not wrinkly. Because my skin is not wrinkly. My skin is not wrinkly. She's just had a wander over there. Because my skin is not wrinkly. And I know I'm not a pig because I do not go oink oink. Oink oink, because I do not go oink oink. I'm definitely not a fish because I do not have scales. Because I do not have scales. I know I'm not a horse because I have feet. And not hooves. And not hooves. I'm definitely not a skunk because I don't stink. Because I don't stink. I can't be a goat. Wait, the bleat went too early there. Because I do not bleat like that. There's no way I'm a giraffe because I haven't got a long neck, a long neck. And my nose is far too short to be an elephant. Far too short to be an elephant. So what animal do you think you are? Said Mum. Tallulah looked at her reflection in the pond. She looked at her reflection in the pond. There you are, said Mum.